So I think it's nice to record the traffic because every 30 seconds there's like a possibility for accidents here, as you can see. We are stuck.
I don't know if I killed the angel in my last life. Maybe I'm seeing it wrong. Maybe this is a sign to go back to Cuenca because this fucking motorbike, once again, after spending $120 changing the clutch discs, it's still the fucking same. A little bit improvement, but it still goes down. If I just clutch in and don't throttle, yep, she will go down. I was trying for 5 minutes to try to turn on this mic without stopping to say that this bike is fucking with me big time. I don't know if it was the God listening to my prayers that or if we went down the mountain and the weather got like 5 degrees higher and the motorbike suddenly started to have power to go up. Not anymore. But at least, I don't know, third gear, not as great anymore. We did stop in a fuel station somewhere. Something is definitely off with this bike again. Look at this, third gear, full throttle, not even going much up. Doesn't go more than this. I was praising her and she did this again. So the engine is completely uncontrolled. Sometimes they have power going up, sometimes it doesn't. I don't really get it. I don't know if it's from... We're a bit higher up now the mountain, and maybe because the motor feels cold, she doesn't want to give me power.
Fiestita en el pueblo, Saraguro. We stopped here for lunch. It's the main event of the year, the main square, and everyone is out this Saturday. And the mechanic cannot take us because he's waiting for the Holy Cross to pass by street. Everyone walking to the main square, and we going on the direction of the mechanic. See what's wrong with this bike. Went down. You see, the motorbike just shut off. Hopefully this mechanic knows something about something. It went off again. Maybe we cannot even reach the mechanic. And everyone is dressed for the cause. One more church. So the mechanic should be somewhere around here. There. Mira, ahora acá es usted el mecánico. So our bike is there, and the crowd is passing by. Horses. Our mechanic is here. We have some chocolate, 75% of cacao, and TV, donkeys, horses. The whole crew of the village of Saramogo is here on their best day, and our mechanic over there in that house. Big boss waited. Now is opening for us on a Saturday, festive day, to get that one fixed.
our plans changed. We are going back to the coast. We're lucky enough to be in the land of the long-haired men, bad singers, and honest mechanics of Saraguro. And this honest mechanic, the son of the big boss there, told us that the borders are closed. It just saved us a lot of riding. We are going back to the coast to cross the border through Huaquillas, the only border open between Ecuador and Peru. They closed the border because political and economical issues, as always. And we have the motorbike still to be fixed. The diagnosis yesterday was that electrical parts, rotor inside the engine, it's fucked up. Not completely fucked up, but a bit fucked up, and that's why the motorbike is so unstable. That's what we concluded yesterday. So this motorbike is so bad that it cannot take the heat we give to her. The components don't load the speed, the rotation the engine produces. So this electrical part, it's one of the few we didn't replace yet on this motorbike. So the update, we are just leaving Ecuador, as you can see. Okay, welcome to Peru. Are we in Peru already? Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't know if we have to step out of Ecuador. How come they don't have a border office here? I don't know. Let's keep going, we will find out. We are almost without fuel because the motorbike behaved quite well, and we don't understand why. We don't understand why. It just runs very nicely without motive. From bad to nice, nice to bad. But we're going to try to put her on the bus and get a bus from here to Trujillo, one of Peru's biggest cities, and we will go to the station. It should be on this next city, and try to figure it out if that's possible, because there is not many mechanics. Today is Sunday, and the next big city is Trujillo, so we will try to find some mechanic there. I don't really feeling like to risk and getting stuck in the middle of nowhere in a hot desertic village. Peru, Xeiramucum, Peru, Traba, Lago Titiaca, Cusco, Rio Amazonas, Cuelap, Playa del Norte, Jutamonche, Nazca, Arequipe. Ok, muy bien. Control inmigratorio. Control inmigratorio. Perú, 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 aduanas. We made it here to Tumbes, the first big city, or the first city here by the border, and we are just here in the bus station. It was a smooth entrance to Peru. We're going to try to get some bus to Trujillo with the motorbike. So after a lot of fighting and bargaining in the chaotic city here in Peru, it's a mess of a place. You can see by the dirty streets. We managed to find here a bus company that is willing to take the motorbike, like $160
to bring her the motorbike and the both of us. So we're going directly to Lima because they don't go to Trujillo, and yeah, that's going to be the plan. Avoid 1 day in the bus, avoiding 4 days riding, and eat. I cannot take the eat due to medical conditions so well. So we're going to load it up, and the bus is just about to go to Lima. It's 3 p.m. afternoon, and we're going to get just like 10 minutes away. We got here just on time. So Lima, I guess it is. We made it to Lima. We are here pushing the bike in the city center. All the coast of Peru, it's ugly. At least the cities, it's a desertic landscape, but the cities are quite ugly. And Lima also, it's a huge metropolis. And we made it to the fuel station. Check, the motorbike started at first hand. It got a couple new scratches, but nothing that we care about. And we're entering now this crazy traffic. As soon as we entered Peru, in the border city, we realized that the traffic is quite a different level of wildness here in Peru. Although there's not many tuk-tuks here in Lima, they're probably forbidden because those guys were crazy and dangerous. But there's many electrical scooters and electrical small power bikes. Oh shit, there is not space for the bikes to go through even on the traffic here. And yeah, we are stuck. We are stuck already in traffic. 1 minute in and we are stuck. It's crazy. Pasa, he says. I'm passing my friends. Thank you. And one more neck of traffic jam here. And we know it's red, but we really want us to, and this bus just made on purpose to don't let us go, and we have to go here, and we are going in front of the police. We just did this atrocity. So I think it's nice to record the traffic because every 30 seconds there's like a possibility for accidents here, as you can see. This is the bike lane here for the electrical scooters. You will see them all over the city, and they're probably the easiest thing to squeeze through that crazy traffic here. I have to go up a bit and now go down. Perfecto, detour, the jet tour, and squeeze in the middle. Here goes sir with the fancy cars. Let me go and be free. So this is one of the touristic areas. Of course we will stay here because after 26 hours of bus journey we demand some comfort, some luxury. For $30 a night we booked the place here in Miraflores, which according to ChatGPT it's the place to stay. This place looks too fancy for $30 a night. It's probably this one. Buenas. This, guys, is what you get for $30 a night. The lady said we could not film here. Our wardrobe. There's a nice bed. TV. It's cozy, simple, nice. Lima traffic is without a doubt one of the craziest ones. We are literally stuck in an endless line of cars. I will show you what I have in front of me. I'm turning around in the middle of highway so I can put myself here through the bus lane. There is a bus going. He's honking at me, but it's okay, dude. I will not be stuck here in the traffic. We are doing a social experiment here in Lima. Police see us, but they don't tell us what to do, and there's just a policeman here, and we'll see what he wants. So I will start to speak in English with this guy and see what's happening. Hello. Spanish not so good. Poquito español.
Esta vía no puede circular en esa vía. Esa vía solamente exclusiva netamente metropolitano. Solamente hay un carril. Las motos no pueden circular por ahí.
No motos. Pero motos, yo he visto motos.
Solamente policiales.
Ah, pero he visto varias. Policías. Ah, ok.
¿A dónde te diriges?
Comprar medicina china. Centro chino.
Escúchame. Sales de acá y llegas a Lampa. Generalmente sales a la vía normal.
Derecha.
Exactamente. Esto es solamente puro metropolitano, nada más.
Acá derecha.
Sí, sí.
Ah, gracias. So our technique worked again. Nice policeman though. And this is like a bus, underground bus station. It's like their subway, but with normal buses. We said that we don't speak Spanish so well, and that we saw other motorbikes coming through here. And it was the police bikes, of course. But we don't know, because we know hablar español. And it's green lights, and it doesn't go through a roll. So, as you can see, the green doesn't do absolutely nothing. But the map says we can take a right here and go through some other streets. Here we go. And we should probably stop and try to find a friend, somebody that has time to explain to us where are the motorbike mechanics massage place here. Let's ask these guys here. Jefe, ¿a dónde son las motos? Los talleres de motos.
Voltea para allá.
A la izquierda.
Ajá. Al 501, ahí está todo lo que remo.
Esa calle, y ahí mismo a la izquierda. Gracias. Here in La 501, one of the awful places of Lima, where people don't bother to help you much and don't really care about helping. Just a chaotic, dirty, busy place where we came with the motorbike to make some upgrades or downgrades. I still don't know. We are here waiting for the welding guy to put an extra pin in our chain guards to see if it fixes it properly, because we lost the chain guard and we found from another model here that we don't know if it will work. It's a bit small, but it's better than nothing. And we put some new grips for the amount of vibrations this motorbike have. It might come in hand. Another Venezuelan motorbike mechanic over there that is in charge of doing this for us. So good luck. And yeah, about the most important parts, ladies over there socializing with the mechanics. Yeah. And the most important parts, the alternator. They say there is not an alternator for this bike here, which is odd because it's the biggest bike place in the city, but they say there isn't. And I guess we will proceed with this bike with the broken alternator, because they say we cannot find a new one here. So she's holding on for now, and let's hope she will hold on a bit more, because we don't want to come here again, definitely. Here we are having our phone battery replaced in some sketchy hallway of Lima, Peru electronic city. Same like the motorbike place, but here for electronical stuff they sell anything, as you can imagine. Look at these old radio systems here, and you can find pretty much anything here, even papaya juices and food at the end of the hallway. So because we lose much battery getting videos done for you, getting the Google Maps going and sending us through the worst roads imaginable, our battery is bad. So hopefully this guy doesn't break our phone and all the info there. For $70 they will change the iPhone 13 battery. So as of now, as you can see, the prospect for going a 3-kilometer journey is 35 minutes, 20 minutes by walking, because it's not as far of away, and 35 minutes by motorbike or by car, maybe a bit faster by bike. So that's how bad Lima traffic is. We at least managed to fix our phone battery. We did find something about Chinese medicine that we're looking for. Doesn't really let me handle extreme temperatures, too much cold or too much heat especially, very well. There's no treatment for this in normal medicine, only Chinese medicine. So we've been since Colombia trying to find something, and it was not so good here in Chinatown. I thought I was going to find it, because in Europe and in the States it's much easier. But at least we did find something that can help. So it was a productive day, I guess. Jugo de piña golden. There's a lot of pineapple juice all over Lima. So we are going walking pace now. Somebody from Lima sees this, please incentivize the cars or create some rules so motorbikes don't get stuck in the traffic. We are riding a motorbike, we are not being lazy, we don't deserve it. So if you are Peruvian and you're watching this, I hope somebody can change the traffic for the locals here, because you have to swerve all over the cars, scratch some cars, some now and then. We don't care. And obviously we also are in danger. Sometimes it's very easy to have your foot, as you can see by this guy, to have your foot stepped on by a car wheel. And you can see how close we get on each handlebar through the vehicle. It's crazy. And look at the atmosphere around. The best is going with these little electrical scooters. They are the thinner vehicles and the ones that get around faster. But just crazy. So many people here in Lima. This is one of the biggest plazas, one of the biggest squares here in Lima, and it's quite beautiful. It's one of the biggest old colonial cities. It's about 500 years old, and it was of course made by the Spanish and colonized by the Spanish, and Yeah, we had to came by walking because the motorbike couldn't get past the traffic anymore. But it's worth it. It's a nice walk in a very historic colonial city. There's a lot of policemen here in Peru, everywhere actually. A lot of security. Perucito. In Portuguese, pavo, it means. Intentando el ceviche mixto. It's famoso, very famous food on the Netflix documentary with the chef himself, this guy, famous guy, cooking for us this food. And we trying it. ¿Qué tal está, amor? La comida de Netflix. Está bien, está grandote este plato. Y una Inca Cola, que es una soda típica de Perú. Typical drink here. So it's a very small place. That's the famous chef right there. Al toque, pues. Let's see how it is. Is it good? Very nice. Simple, fast, quick, delicious.